Most Americans think saving $10,000 is very difficult. But the truth is, many people in the United States save this amount faster than expected. They follow simple habits that slowly grow their savings every month. If you start using these habits today, your financial life can change quickly. Here are 7 smart tricks Americans use to save money faster. Tip number 1. Stop eating outside frequently. Many Americans spend a lot of money on fast food every week. Even small restaurant visits can cost hundreds of dollars every month. Cooking meals at home is one of the easiest ways to reduce expenses. Home cooking is healthier and much cheaper than restaurant food. Saving just $10 per day can create big savings in 1 year. This simple habit alone can help you save thousands of dollars. Tip number 2, cancel unused subscriptions immediately. Many people forget they are paying for apps they never use. Streaming services and mobile apps quietly charge money every month. Checking your subscription list can save a surprising amount of money. Americans often cancel extra subscriptions to reduce monthly expenses. Removing only 2 or 3 subscriptions can increase savings quickly. Tip number 3, follow the 50-30-20 budgeting rule. This rule helps people control spending in a simple way. 50% income should go to basic needs like rent and food. 30% income can be used for lifestyle and entertainment. 20% income should always go directly into savings. Many successful Americans follow this rule every single month. This strategy slowly builds strong financial stability over time. Tip number 4, start a simple side hustle from home. Extra income always helps people reach savings goals faster. Many Americans earn money through online freelance work. Some people sell digital products or work part-time online. Even small side income can grow into large yearly savings. Side hustles also create new opportunities for financial freedom. Tip number 5, avoid paying credit card interest charges. Credit card interest can quietly reduce your savings every month. Many people lose money because they delay credit card payments. Paying your balance on time protects your money from interest loss. Smart Americans always track their credit card due dates carefully. Avoiding interest payments helps increase savings very quickly. Tip number 6, use automatic savings transfers every month. Automatic transfers make saving money easier and more consistent. Many banks in the United States allow scheduled savings transfers. This method saves money without needing daily effort or reminders. Even small automatic transfers create strong long-term savings habits. Consistency is the secret behind successful financial planning. Tip number 7, track every expense you make daily. Tracking spending shows where your money is going every month. Many Americans use budgeting apps to monitor their expenses. Expense tracking helps reduce unnecessary shopping habits quickly. Knowing your spending pattern helps you control financial decisions better. Small daily improvements create powerful savings results over time. Saving $10,000 becomes possible when habits change slowly. Consistency is more important than earning a very high income. Smart planning always creates strong financial growth in the future. Anyone can improve their savings by following these simple strategies. Start applying these habits today and watch your savings grow faster. Subscribe for more smart money tips for people living in the United States.